street. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this style, this updo with the crisscross. So if you want to see it, just stay tuned. But before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. And remember, there's a giveaway going on, so to participate, you know what to do. Watch the video and it will tell you all the instruction. So guys, let's get started with the video. So this style is so simple to achieve. It took me only 20 minutes to achieve it. So what you're gonna be needing is this hair. This is a spring twist hair. It's just like the hair that I used to do the faux locks. It's very natural looking. No one can really tell that it's not your hair. Then you're gonna need some crochet needle, rubber bands, your pro style gel, your comb, and your brush. That's it. Yes, so I'm gonna start by just parting out my hair. Let me put my glasses on and stuff so I can see what I'm doing. But yes, I'm gonna start now. If you see my hair like yellow stuff, it's the shea butter. So yeah. So I didn't part it as how I normally part my hair when I'm doing this style. Normally I will part it from ear to ear, but because I wanted to just do both sides and not the middle, I part it like this. But when you're doing it, it's easier to do it parting it from ear to ear, go straight across, and then the piece in the middle, you don't take so much hair. Don't part it that even. Make it be closer to the front of your head instead of as even as the two sides, if you get what I'm saying, because you're doing the high puff. So if you part your hair exactly straight across, it's not gonna give you the high puff look. It's gonna give, the puff is not gonna be as high as it's going to be if the hair is further front. If it's further back, it's going to give you like a low puff look, kinda. If you, yes, it's gonna give you like a low puff look. So right here I'm just doing the crisscross with the rubber band, and I'm going in with my Murray edge wax. Just putting that at the root of my hair, and then I'm just gonna rub it in, get my rubber band and secure that. And then the section that it's going to connect to, I'm just gonna part that part off, and I'm going to use another rubber band to further secure, so it will give me that crisscross look. And don't mind the white of the Murray edge wax. Once it's dried, it will become clear, so you will no longer see it. And I'm gonna just continue the process by adding the edge wax to the root of my hair, brushing it, and then applying the rubber band to secure it, and do the same method until I'm finished. And your parting doesn't really have to be that straight. If you can part straight, it doesn't have to be, because it's going to be hidden. So right here you can see that I wanted to do just both sides, and then I decided to just do everything, just do the whole front. And as I said before, you can see it that the parting is not from ear to ear. In the middle, it's closer to the front because I want that high puff. I'm just gonna catch it up. Catch it up like this. And I'm using one of these like um big scrunchies. And after you put your hair in the eye puff, you want to make sure that the hair is as flat as possible, because you don't want it to be too bulky, I guess. Yeah, you don't want it to be too bulky. So that's why I twist my hair, because if I did it just in one and wrap it around, it would be too puffy, and I didn't want that. I want it to be flat as possible, and this was the only way I could make my hair as flat as possible. So now I'm gonna go in with an extra scunchie, and then I'm gonna just wrap that round and secure my hair a little further. Then I'm gonna use my Pro Style gel and just add a little in my palm of my hands, and yeah, just put it at the back of my hair. After you do that, I did my edges, and I just tie that down, let it sit while I'm doing the crochet. This look like a style you can wear by itself. You don't even have to do anything with it. I'm just gonna tie down my hair, and as soon as I finish, I'm gonna start showing you guys how to do the crochet. But it's very self-explanatory. So now I'm just going to get my hair, and I'm gonna crochet them in. I'm going to just I'm gonna just cut these in two, like in half. So like this, and then I'm gonna just cut it in half. Let's see. Okay. Where is the here? Okay. We have two. And then to start the crochet, I started at the bottom of my hair, and then I just work my way up to the top. So you want to go in with your crochet needle open. You want to twist the hair, put the hair on the crochet needle, close crochet needle, and you want to, when you close the crochet needle, you pull it through, and with the loop you want to pull the hair, you want to put the hair in the loop and just tie it just like that, and that's it. And you want to just continue that throughout until you get the puff that you want. I'm just going to show you one more time. Make sure the crochet needle is open, put the hair on, pull it through, open that loop, put the hair in the loop, and pull the hair to secure. So we're gonna just do around the bun, and then I'm gonna do the bun itself. As I said before, this style was very easy to do. It took like 15 to 20 minutes to do. It's very easy, very simple, looks really good, and without leave out. And if you don't know how to braid, this is the perfect style because you don't have to braid your hair. Don't worry about that shea butter in the back of my head. Once the sun hit it, it will disappear. So after you do all around the perimeter of the bun, you want to start doing on top of the bun, so you don't have that little lump, you don't have any lumps. Yeah, you want to make sure everything look as natural as possible. So this is how it's looking. I'm just adding more because I have more here and I don't want to waste it. Now I'm just gonna go in and shape it up a little bit. If you want, you don't have to really shape it up because it's Yeah, you don't have to shape it up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
So this is how it's
I won't let no
looking. I'm
one
gonna put
come
on
and take
some
your
makeup
place.
and
'Cause the love you
come
give,
back.
it can't be replaced. So go now.
So this is how it's looking. Looking really nice and full. I'm just gonna put on some makeup and okay, alright. So guys, I'm back. So this is the final result of the hair. I'm loving it. It's so nice. Yeah, I love the hair. If you guys want to get this hair, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so you can go ahead and get it. This is just it's not even one pack. It's two pieces, and I cut it in half, and it did all of this, and it's so full, and it had a little bit remaining. So yes, I love this here. I love it. It looks so natural. um yeah, so if you guys want to get it, you guys can go ahead and get it. I fully recommend this here if you have natural hair, or even if you don't have natural hair. If you have perm hair and you want a natural look, you can go get this here and you can try this style. If you do try this style, let me know how it worked out for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.